Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by making sure your device is ready. Connect to Wi-Fi or stable cellular, keep battery above 20%, and free up a little storage so the update can install. Once done, sign into the Google account that owns the app, then open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. This gets you directly to account and update controls. It's faster than searching through settings and prevents mid-update interruptions. Next, go to Manage Apps and Device and look under Updates Available. This shows pending updates in one place. If you prefer, search for the app directly and open its store page, then tap Update to start. Make sure you check Auto Update settings via the three-dot menu. Choose Wi-Fi only to avoid data charges, or any network if you need it now. Also, read the changelog so you know what changed before you open the updated app. After you tap Update, watch the progress. Once installation finishes, tap Open or restart the app to let new code initialize. Make sure the version number or changelog matches what you expected so you confirm success. If something feels off, sign out and back in, or reboot the device to clear transient issues. Troubleshooting tip: if the update fails, clear the Google Play Store cache and data, confirm storage and account status. Then retry the install. That fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.